Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Harkovlewis team, and I am unbelievably excited to take you on the tour of 28K today. This is not only a unique line in the building with unbelievable water views, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but this was redone by Workstead right off the heels of them doing the White Hotel, which to me is the most iconic building in Williamsburg. This is a combination of the K and the L line, both of which have water views, but combined, you have a whole wall of windows behind you. You have a very gracious layout for the living room and the dining room, and the kitchen area is absolutely perfect to work from and gives you extra cabinet space. And here's the primary bedroom. I absolutely love it. Spacious, Brooklyn views, quiet in the back of the apartment, double sink, windowed. Again, a gracious primary suite. A full bathroom is easily accessible from the great room before reaching the first guest bedroom that features a large custom closet with double barn doors. The guest bedroom receives eastern sunlight and features a show-stopping one-of-a-kind ceiling with elegant paneling. And the living room features a wall of built-ins and access to a private balcony. This is what truly sets the Edge apart from any other building you will possibly visit. This pool is a sanctuary in the summer, the spring, the winter, or fall. I personally use it all year round, and it's a wonderful amenity that no building can beat. Not only do we have that, but we also have a jacuzzi, a steam room, and a sauna that round out this magical amenity package that again cannot be beat. Fitness centers, a full-size indoor basketball court, virtual golf, 2 children's playrooms, 2 movie screening rooms, lounges, and a parking garage. So this area, which is right off the pool, is the perfect place to congregate in the spring or summer, bring friends over, have a bottle of wine, grill a steak, and just get to relax right by the water. And if you get too hot, just jump in the pool. Situated on the waterfront, with the East River State Park next door and the promenade and pier out front, the location offers breathtaking skyline views and sunsets. The smorgasbord and Brooklyn Fee are at your doorstep on weekends, and you are steps from restaurants, bars, and shopping that have made Williamsburg one of the hottest neighborhoods in the city. If you'd like to see this fabulous apartment at the Edge Condominium, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the Harkov-Lewis team. We'd love to show it to you.